And I'm not disabling the chat, nor I'm not disabling the,
Miss,
I'm not muting you. Yeah, you can just raise your, yeah, it's nice.
so can I copy with it?
Can you make a little bit slim or sleek?
Hmm?
It's nice. It's
Is
nice.
this okay?
You can just see this. Vaishu, ఇటు పక్కవి రెండు చాలా బాగా వచ్చాయి. This one and this one. The down one you can make a little bit even more curvy. Yeah, it's nice, Roshan.
Wait, which one? This one?
Yeah, that one you need to make the curve inside. Only that one.
Oh,
From the down part, from there, the down all are not inside curves, they're outside curves. Very good, Spurti. You got it good. Yeah.
can I trace it?
Very good, Arjun. You got
Can I
it.
trace it?
Yeah, you can. Okay. See that. Arjun, you can take the Sharpie and you can just do this.
Is this good?
How many? There are too many, Abhinav. Yeah, but still, they are okay.
Can I get a Sharpie?
Yeah, you
Can I
can do with
trace
the
it?
Sharpie. Okay, you can do.
Teacher, can I trace it?
Yeah. See that everything is coming and see that you're not joining in the middle. We don't want in middle. Okay. We are doing only the edges.
So what are you saying I should do? I don't get what you're saying I should do.
See here the curves you have, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have done here the curves. Can you see this on your paper?
Yeah.
Inside like this. Okay. And this one it is a little bit outside. So just try to make them inside in this way. In this way. Curves. That's it. Only I think a few from the bottom. One or two or three, four. I don't. I think three or four. Yes, very good.
Can I erase the box?
No, we'll just do the Santa and then erase the box. Okay.
Can we do the Santa right now?
Yeah, we'll do. We are doing the Santa next. Next, once we
But like we're not doing it. Like no one's like we're not starting it right now.
we are starting it right now. We are doing.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Wait, let everyone outline it. So,
Fine.
Sharon,
I'm done.
have you done this outline?
Wait, I already started
The
outlining.
Sharpie? Very good.
I'm done.
Good. Yeah, that's nice. You can do it. Beautiful. Beautiful, Vaishu. Do it.
Wait, are we like using watercolors for the tree? Like watercolor?
Yeah,
Yes.
we're using for the watercolor brushes for that.
Oh, watercolor brushes.
We'll use, yeah, I have an idea. We use watercolors and brush pens both for this, okay?
I got an idea. So like for the so I got an idea. So for brush pen part, we can use the last like for the Christmassy details and the base. Could we use watercolors?
I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Okay,
Can
done,
we just
Vaishu?
do watercolors? Can we start it now? Can we start the Santa thingy right now?
We are starting. See this. Here we'll have the Santa's cap. So this also we are going to do in circles and rectangles. So for the face, we'll have a round. Around where, see, you have this part, right? We are going to have this for the face. Let me zoom. Okay. I think you all can see this. See, we have this part, right? This is a big square we have. And we have a small square. And where these lines are meeting, see, this part is less and this part is more. So we have a circle over here.
So is this okay?
Yeah, it's okay. And we have, yeah, and we have a slanting rectangle triangle over here. See this, just below. You're done with this circle, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes. So see this, exactly from here. From here, we'll have a triangle.
For what?
Okay.
Is that is this circle gonna be his nose?
We'll just see what it will turn into. Okay. And
The
now,
circle is his face.
okay. And now we are going to have a rectangle over here. A slanting
Oh,
rectangle. A slanting rectangle. Okay.
is it okay if it's kind of? Are we drawing Santa? Are we drawing Santa right now, or are we drawing somebody else?
We are drawing Santa. This will be easy one. Okay.
Santa is running through the snow.
And see, we have one more rectangle over here.
Santa scooted through the snow and then he fell down and then he died.
I'm going to mute again. Shall I mute?
Mute Abhinav.
Okay.
Mute everybody.
Nana, see this. Please concentrate here. I don't want to mute you all. I don't want to mute.
Guys, you're recording.
Okay. And we have one more rectangle here.
I'm tired with the rectangles. Yes.
I told you very early, right? Whatever the pictures we are drawing,
They're gonna always have rectangles? No.
And we are going to have one more rectangle over here.
This looks like a toy elf.
Okay. Let us see how this will turn. Okay. And we have one more rectangle over here.
Okay, I'm dying with the rectangle.
Okay.
My square is almost done with the rectangle.
And one more small square over here.
Finally, one other shape. Finally, one other shape.
Square.
Finally, one other shape.
And one more rectangle here.
So that's his other flipping leg.
Exactly. Chalo, you got
That
it.
looks like a big fat Luigi.
And we are going to give a curve over here.
That looks weird.
Okay. And we are going to have the scooty over here.
Spooty?
Yes.
We had a Spooty over there? What the?
Yeah. This is the scooty.
Oh, Scooty. No, I thought you said Spooty. There's a new Spooty on the run.
Okay. I think you need to excuse me for a minute. I'm just stopping this record. I'll call you.
You're stopping this record?
Yeah. I'll come and again on this. And
Why?